Hello, assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Technology 2023. Today my topic is asphalt equipments. As you can see in the video, this is called paver machine. In the middle of the paver machine, this is called conveyor belt. This is called hopper. One is on the right hand side and other is on the left hand side. This is holding the asphalt materials once it is downloaded from the truck. And the front side, as you can see, this rubber strip providing in front of the paver. This is protecting of the free fall material from the paver machine in front of the paver over the asphalt surface. As you can see the front side, this is called wheels. This wheel is in contact with the asphalt truck tires. Once the tire is moving and truck is moving forward, it's also moving. This is called chain pad or crawling pad, which is provided over the chain of the paver machine to avoid the damaging of the surface of asphalt. This is made of rubber. This is called lever arm for the sensor, where we are fixing and installing the sensor here. I will show you later on. This is called a skid box. On the right hand side, this is called skid plates. This is called skid plates, which is holding the material to come to outside from the skid box. Inside you can see it here. These are called skid boxes. Which holding the material inside. There is inside thermometer also installed, which is maintaining the temperature of the asphalt. Inside you can see this is called auger, which once the conveyor is move the material back side, so this auger is shifting the material both sides of the skid box. This is back side of the paver machine. As you can see, there are two steps, one is down, one is up. This is for to go up and down over the machine. This is the back side of the paver machine. These are steel steps on both sides, left hand side and right side, because the machine is operating from both sides, from left hand side and right hand side as well. This middle part, as you can see it here, this is the camber adjustment point here. If you have single rod and you have camber in the rod, so the camber will be adjusted in the paver machine, in the middle of the paver machine, so you can maintain the camber in the machine before starting the asphalt. This is from the other side. You can see the skid boxes and the augers. This is called skid plate, which is moving up and down. This is the same lever arm where we are fixing the sensor during the asphalt laying. This is called double drum roller or steel roller. We can also say tandem roller. This we are using for the breakdown rolling, initial rolling and final rolling. As you can see it here, there are some hoses installed in front of the drum. The water is coming from the tank and it's sprinkling the water over the drum to avoid sticking up the material on the drum surface. As you can see on the bottom side, there is a rubber strip is also installed. which does not allow the material to stick with the drum. As you can see it here on the back side, this is a water tank where we are putting the water. The steel roller we are using in the initial stage for the breakdown rolling and the final stage. As you can see at the back side, the same system is installed here. The roller speed be from 3 to 5 km per hour during the spot laying. As you can see it here, the water system here, sprinkling system, and the rubber pad, the rubber downside, which avoid the hot asphalt to stick with the drum. This is called tandem roller. You can say steel roller as well. The weight of the steel roller should be from 10 to 20 tons. It is more, it's not bad if it is should not be less than 10 tons. This is called baby ruler. As you can see it here, it is also have double drum front side and back side, and same system of the big ruler. The small ruler we are using in those areas where we don't have access for the big ruler. This is we are using near the curbstone and the curved area. This is the water tank. We are putting the water. This weight will be from 1.5 to 3 tons. This is called PTR. PTR means pneumatic tire rulers. It have 4 tires in the front side. After the background rolling, we are using the PTR for the asphalt rolling. The main compaction we are achieving from the paver machine from 70 to 80%. The rest compaction we are achieving from the rulers, in which PTR have been play an important role for achieving the compaction. As you can see it on the back side, we have 5 tires. There is a gap. The back side have 5 tires, and the front side we have 4 tires. So the gap is covered by each other from the front side. You can see the scraper is installed on the front and back side tires, which avoids sticking of the materials during the spot laying on the tires. We are using spray, cooking oil spray over the tires to avoid of sticking of the material. This is the water tank. If you don't want to use the cooking oil, you can use the detergent water as well. The PTR speed should be from 6 to 8 km per hour, and PTR will start rolling after the background rolling and will continue until it will see his marks over this one. As you can see, some damage pad is there, so this should be rectified in the paver machine. Now you can see the whole equipments here. These are called the paver machines, as I introduced you this one. This is called paver machine, which is used for the spalting, and that is called PTR. I introduce you one by one this one. And this is called pulley, which have string line inside, which is using for the string line during the asphalt setting out. As you can see, this one steel wire is there. This steel wire is fixed over the steel pin, which we are using for setting out of the asphalt as per the approved level or as per the design level. This will be fixed near the pure machine at certain distance to maintain the proper level. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments, please put in the comment box and click the bell icon to receive my updated videos. Thank you.